I wake up early. I wake up early.
I wash my face. I wash my face.
I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth.
I wear a shirt. I wear a shirt.
I make coffee. I make coffee.
I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast.
I take my bag. I take my bag.
I open the door. I open the door.
I walk to school. I walk to school.
I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus.
I study English. I study English.
I work on my computer. I work on my computer.
I buy some apples. I buy some apples.
I pay for this. I pay for this.
I cut the vegetables. I cut the vegetables.
I drink water. I drink water.
I clean the table. I clean the table.
I fold my clothes. I fold my clothes.
I wash my clothes. I wash my clothes.
I need a rest. I need a rest.
I want some soup. I want some soup.
Can I have tea? Can I have tea?
I call my friend. I call my friend.
I read a book. I read a book.
I go to sleep. I go to sleep.